Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can enable automatic sharing of your Instagram stories to Facebook. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under this video. Also write your comments after watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get started. And first of all, please open up Instagram on your device. And then, friends, you're gonna need to go to your page. And then on the right-hand side, at the top, click on the three bars. And that will take you to Settings. Or if you get a menu like you have here, then you go to Settings and Privacy. Next, friends, in Settings you will need to go to Meta Account Center. To do that, at the top, click here. After that, friends, find the Account Sharing option. Now you will need to select your Instagram page. If you have many pages, let's say Instagram, and you would like to choose someone and link it to Facebook, then click All Accounts. Next, click Confirm. And you'll see all of your accounts that you have on Instagram, and select the one you want. After you select your Instagram account, you'll be taken to a page like this. And you're going to be interested in this automatic sharing section right here. And there are several items here. These are Instagram posts, Instagram history, and Instagram Reels. So you can activate the feature where you automatically share your posts, stories, and also video reels. When you, let's say, post any of these things to Instagram, then automatically it will all appear on your Facebook page as well. And in order to do that, you'll just have to, against some of the items or all of the items, activate this button by clicking on it. That way, you will activate that option. Here is such a simple and quick method. You can easily share your Instagram stories to Facebook automatically. I really hope, friends, that this video helped you and was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also put your likes, write comments below the video. Take care.